Today we are installing a dog washing station into a home. She has 2 German Shepherds, so this is really a necessity for her, as this is the easiest way to be able to get them clean when they need it. This is going to be in their laundry room. We are replacing a countertop and laundry sink with the dog washing station. The first step is disconnecting the plumbing from the sink. Once they get that taken out, they detach the countertop and take that out of the area. Really, the longest part of this entire process is actually building the station. There were a lot of bolts, screws, and things like that, so building it had to be very precise. Here are the 2 main parts of the station. So the actual tub itself and then the base that holds the tub up off of the ground. This is where the plumbing for the station comes into play. They actually had to cut out a lot of the drywall because they needed to lower the drain and rework the water lines in order for the station to be attached correctly. Here you can see how it's starting to come back together after they reworked the lines and lowered the drain. This ends up being a huge station once it's completely put together, but this is what it's looking like so far. They actually had to rework the water supply line too in order for the faucet hoses to be attached. Once that was done, the job was complete, and this is what the plumbing looked like at the end. We tested the faucet and everything is good to go. Here's what the station looks like complete, and we even had Piper join us for her first bath in the new station. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe.